Hello and welcome back. And in this video, we are going to be building our onboarding step view. So this onboarding step view is basically this view that's hosting your image and your other components like title and description. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to create a new empty file and we're going to name this onboarding step view. All right, let's start with the import to SwiftUI and import the SwiftUI framework. Then we're going to create our struct onboarding step view. Okay, now this struct or this view will hold data for onboarding page, and onboarding page will include an image view, which is basically a photo or graphic that you want to show on the top, a title, the headline, which is going to serve as a headline for the page, description, which is a short explanation or description about that step, talking about your feature. Okay, so let's go ahead and create the step, which is going to be onboarding step, because we are going to need the step to be passed in, and step is basically our data model. If I go into the definition, this is the data model that we're going to receive. Along with this, let's go ahead and create so this step should contain, let's go ahead and take a look. So this step actually contains your image title and description along with your accent color and everything. So now you have those details available that you want to show. Next, we are going to create a screen size. Now, screen size property will let you adjust your view's layout based on phone's dimension. For example, images height and view's height will scale to match device's screen size. So we're going to create our screen size, which is going to be of type CG size. And then we're going to start working on the body. Okay, and the body property will contain a VStack with spacing of 22 points. Then we're gonna first display the image. This image is gonna come from step.image name, and it's gonna basically, we're gonna make it resizable so we can create a proper height, a scaled height for the screen. We're also gonna make sure that it is it is rounded from the corner, so it has rounded corners. So we're gonna use clip shape modifier in order to modify the shape of the image, and we're gonna add an accessibility label to this as well, so we can our voiceovers can read what it represents. Okay, so we're gonna have an image, and we're gonna take the step.image name, and once again, this is just a name, and this is going to basically just a string which is going to represent an asset or an image stored inside the assets catalog. Okay, we're gonna make this resizable, so the image can be adjusted for its height, and we're gonna create frame with height, and the height is gonna be screen size dot height divided by 3. So third of the height of the screen is what we want. We want to clip shape, and we want to clip shape into rectangle with corner radius as 20 points. Okay, so we want to make a rounded corner, and let's go ahead and add accessibility label because this is an image, and we're going to say this is an onboarding illustration. Okay, that's what we are showing here. All right, now right underneath this, we're going to create another VStack with alignment as leading, spacing as 16 points, and this is where we're going to display the title and the description. So step.title, let's go ahead and set the font for this guy as large title dot bold. We are going to set the font weight, so font weight as medium, so make it medium bold, and set the foreground style as secondary. Oh, sorry, not this one. This one is going to be bold without font weight. I was thinking this is the description. So this is going to be directly foreground style, and it is going to be white color, and we're going to take multi-line text alignment and set it to leading. Okay, so this is basically our title. Then we're going to have our step description. So basically step dot description, and we're going to have our font body. That's the font size. Let's go ahead and set font weight as medium and foreground style as secondary. Okay, and then we're gonna have a multi-line text alignment, and this multi-line text alignment is gonna be leading as well for this one. Okay, now for this VStack, we're gonna set the frame max width and height. Okay, so max width is gonna be infinity, not the max height, but like the alignment, and alignment we want is leading. Okay, we'll add some padding in the horizontal direction for 24 points, and we'll add frame with width, and this width is gonna come from screen size dot width. Okay, so this is your entire body of onboarding step view, which is basically the way we are creating a simple reusable view designed to present a single page for the onboarding content. Now, next up, we're gonna create our onboarding view, and onboarding view is gonna be your main view putting all these steps together. So let's go ahead and hop into the next video where we're gonna create our onboarding view. I'll see you guys there. Thank you.